What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video.
Welcome back.
Today we're gonna be working on the E46 M3. What are you doing?
Nothing.
That's just how long, huh? So today we're gonna be working on the beautiful E46 M3. We got the showcase woman right here, Nadek, showcasing all the new parts that we're gonna be throwing on.
So we have floating rotors. That's what you said, right? Let him know,
Edgar. Alright, we're gonna be putting new rotors and pads and sensors onto Armand's E46 because we never ended up changing his old ones. I have no idea why. We just ended up painting them, making them look new. But today we're gonna be upgrading them so they can be brand new, because when you brake on this damn thing at high speeds, the front wheels start shaking.
It doesn't stop.
Because yeah, it basically doesn't stop. So we're gonna be throwing on these new Zimmerman Crayola calipers. No, we're gonna be throwing these new Zimmerman rotors on there, and also these new Techstar brake pads.
Zimmerman calipers?
Yeah, I said calipers on accident. He got everything from FCP Euro, so once these goes, once
to the sponsor.
I wish there was a sponsor. Once these go out, he basically has lifetime warranty. He could just buy some new ones, switch them out, and they'll give him his money back, which is great success.
Very nice, very nice.
So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and lift the car up and probably just do like one side at a time, or maybe do the fronts first and then we'll do the rears after.
I know a caption for this video. I know a great caption for this video. Armand changing his own brakes.
Brake.
We don't have enough daylight for that. What do you mean? What do you mean, what do I mean?
You can't do your own brakes, Arm?
I mean, I can, but it'll take a minute. Hey, bro, my head changes brakes on his IS. You have to be able to do it.
You wanna do me a huge favor then, Alec? I haven't had a Red Bull in like 1 day.
I was gonna stop by and grab some, but you guys
can you go get me a Red Bull, please?
I can't find that green one, bro.
Alright, Armand got both the wheels off, surprisingly. Barely. Now Alex can go get us some Red Bull while we start on getting these damn brakes off of here. Oh, you know what else we can do?
What's that?
We could throw the studs on there, yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking these front brakes and rotors off. Alright guys, I went ahead and finished up this driver's side. I got the new brake pads on, the new rotor on with the new bolts, and I also went ahead and threw the new sensor on as well. So what I forgot to show you guys is that Armand got a stud conversion kit for the car, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on while we're at it. Alright guys, I just got the wheel back on with the new studs and nuts. That's looking really good. Chupapi? Chupapi? Fucking Edgar. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly rush through the rest of them now. Alright, we just got the fronts all done up with the new studs and nuts and new rotors and everything. So the front's done. Now we're moving on to the rear. We just lifted it up and go ahead and get these wheels off and throw the new brakes and studs on there. Alright guys, we just finished up the car. As you guys can tell, it's late now, so Can't really see much, but everything's working perfectly. There's no more wobble in the front, so we're good to go. All right guys, it's the next day. As you guys can tell, we are going to be painting the wheels today. We're gonna be changing the color on the wheels to white, just to see how we feel about it, or how Armand feels about it.
And then we're gonna powder coat them.
Yeah, and then he's gonna be powder coating them anyway, so he's probably gonna powder coat them silver, but we just want to try out the white and see how it looks for now with the red. It should look pretty good. So we're just gonna get the car up on some jacks and jack stands, take all 4 wheels off, scuff them up, and get them painted white. It's not gonna be like a perfect paint job or anything, just to get us an idea of what it'll look like for the time being. But yeah, let's get started. The car is in the air. Armand is currently taking off the Apex wheel caps. We're gonna try and clear these, or re-clear these, because the clear coat is like chipping off of them. So we'll try to get them looking a little bit better just for the time being, because he's gonna be getting new caps later on anyway. Now all we gotta do is tape these tires up and scuff up these wheels to get them ready for paint. Alright guys, the wheels are completely scuffed up, taped up, and ready to paint. We're gonna go ahead and move the wheels probably to the side of the house or in the backyard and just get them painted up. While we do that, Armand's gonna go ahead and scuff these center caps up so we can paint those as well. Alright guys, we just got the first coat of paint on. We're gonna wait for this coat to tack up a bit and then go for the second coat. Alright guys, I know it's dark outside, you can't really tell, but the wheels came out really good. They're all painted up. I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit and then shoot some clear coat over it, just so it could give it a little bit more protection. So while I let the wheels dry up on the side, I'm gonna go ahead and roll these rear quarter panels, because we never ended up rolling them, even though we should have done it before the car got painted. We're gonna go ahead and roll them just so we have a little bit more clearance, because I'm gonna be throwing a bigger spacer on here as well, just so the fitment is on point. Alright guys, I went ahead and rolled both fenders, so now we should be able to fit these nice new spacers on there. I already went ahead and threw this side spacer on there from KSP Performance. I believe they're 15 mil spacers. They should fit a lot better. Hopefully we don't have any more rubbing. Armand's gonna go ahead and throw that spacer on now. Boom, bada bing. While I rolled those, I let these wheels dry up. They're looking really good, and they have a couple coats of clear coat on it now, so it should be a little bit protected. While I was doing that, Armand went ahead and painted these caps all red. We were gonna do black, but we decided on going with red because it might match the white wheels. So yeah, it's gonna pop a little bit more.
Wheels or match the red car?
Or match the red car, but it'll go with the white wheels. So we're gonna go ahead and unmask these tires now. Guys, look how good these wheels look now. Completely changed the look of them. We're just waiting for the caps to dry up a little bit and the wheels to dry up a little bit more, and then we're gonna go ahead and throw it back onto the car. Alright guys, this is what they look like with the freshly painted center caps. It's kind of hard to tell because it's dark outside, but they're looking 100 times better. I haven't clicked that center cap in yet, but this is basically what they look like. I'm gonna go ahead and throw them on the car now. Guys, look how good this damn thing looks. He's gonna roll it back and forth just so the suspension can settle down. Go back one more time. Damn, this thing completely changed the look of the car. Ooh, sheesh. Alright guys, so here is what the E46 looks like in the daylight. That thing is glossing, it's looking so good. I think this is the best look for this car, to be honest, with the white apexes. It just suits it. Especially with those red caps. Damn, this thing is looking so much better. The rear is rubbing a little bit. We might end up raising the rear just a little bit just so it won't rub as much. But yeah, this is basically how it's gonna sit from now on. Let us know what you guys think of the car in the comments below. Do you guys like the white wheels? Would you do silver, or would you guys have left it gunmetal like it was before? I personally would leave it white. Alright guys, that's gonna settle it for this video. As always, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next video on the E46 M3. That one is gonna be special. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.